So here's a welding cart. Since the last video, I've added this shelf because I just bought a new plasma cutter. So I added the shelf to put the plasma. So we're gonna have the prime welder down on the bottom, the plasma cutter in the middle, and the MIG on top. And then the 2 tanks on the back. This is what it looks like. Haven't decided on the color yet, so I just put it in primer. And then depending on how everything looks on it, I'll decide what color I'm gonna go with. So stay tuned for, I guess, what color to paint it. Or if you have any suggestions, drop them in the comments. Thinking about a candy color maybe, or I don't know, maybe just go all black, but I will be sanding it, primering it, blocking it, and then maybe do some custom graphics on it just to practice on the airbrush and some painting. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Any comments, suggestions, drop them in the comments. Thanks. All right, guys, so here's the setup. We got the 2 tanks, 75/25 and 100% argon. The MIG on top, the small plasma cutter, and the TIG/stick welder. So the only thing right now that I don't like is this, and this. So I'll come up with some type of little custom hooks and stuff to weld on it. That's another reason why I didn't paint it, because I wanted to have the machines on there and see what else I was gonna need before I actually do the paint. So as of right now, this is what it looks like with all 3 machines. The 2 tanks. Like I said, we got the dimple dies, we got the grill, we got the custom shelf. By the way, I got this to make the shelf. Not very good for 16 gauge steel. It bent it, but it was hard. And it's only I think that was a 19-inch piece in length. But this piece right here, it braked it pretty good. And that's only like 12 inches. So that was a pretty good break right there on that one. But these other 2, this one, this break right here, and the one on this side, those, it struggled a little bit. But like I said, this is the cart. If you guys have any ideas, hit me up on the comments. I'm gonna come up with some type of custom holders or hangers, wires, and then I need to come up with a way to hook up all 3 machines. That way I have 1 plug coming out of the cart instead of 3 plugs. But that's a wrap. Let me know.